DJ. Welcome to another video of my channel. And today I'm going to show you some Christmas decorations and a surprise for you in the end. So keep watching if you want to see the surprise. And you can see behind me there's reindeers. Wow, the two reindeers moving their heads. That's so good. And look, there's a gift light up there. Can you see that? It's a blue one, and there's one with a green one. Guys, there's a bauble with a star. Guys, look. As you can see at the top over there, there's a bauble. Wow. And guys, I saw a sleigh which has flashing lights. And a Christmas tree behind him. And I love the colours of the baubles on the Christmas tree. Let's just wait for our turn to show you that me inside the Christmas sleigh. Oh, look at the reindeer, so cute. Guys, look at what the reindeers are wearing. It's so cool. Love the pattern of it. Don't you think? Ooh, look, the reindeers are flying up, ready to take off. Ho ho ho! There are some bright Christmas lights. And look, come back. There's gifts, presents. Who might that be for? Who might that be for? That might be for someone who's been really good and subscribed to my channel. That might be something. Guys, it's our turn. Here I am going on. My sister on it. As you can see, this is my sister. I've revealed my sister. Say hi. Hi. Okay, now we're gonna ride it. On the move.
We'll say we'll say no man. You can do this job with your child. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire. Today's our
So awesome, epic. Now let's have some more fun. Let's see. Guys, there's Christmas snowflakes on the floor. Three. Wow. Oh, there's snow. Wow, look, snow. So cool, isn't it? Hello. Guys, I'm going to show you the Christmas lights. Guys, look, there's a gift box. And look, there's even some more gift box hanging down. And look, there's a star which has some baubles in it. Isn't that cool? Love this decoration, guys. It feels like it's already Christmas. It feels like it's Christmas today. Guys, let's go. I'm gonna reveal the surprise in maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So still be tuned to watch. Wow. So this is really fun right now as I'm going to show you this. Guys, you have to close your eyes if you want to see the surprise in 3. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Look, Santa Claus! Oh wow, Santa Claus with his wife. Let's meet him. Let's just wait. Ooh. Let's wait. Santa Claus. And his deputy health. He's got a big white beard, a Santa hat, a big belt, and some black boots, and he's wearing red. Brilliant. We're gonna meet him. We'll wait. This
Hello. Oh, you're coming to a picture. Excellent. You've got lovely smiles, by the way. These are super smiles. That would be big film stars.
Hi.
Big smiles.
Thank you.
Excellent. Well done. Hello, Grasa. Yeah. Over here fast. Yeah. 2 minutes. Excellent. You coming over? All right.
we just got a treat from Santa, and this is really nice. Let's move on. Guys, you see something? Look, there's rides. Like, there's a Santa sitting there, with his big sack, isn't he? And there's 2 really awesome reindeers dashing through the snow. Guys, this was really fun, and if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.